One of the major fears around artificial intelligence, and especially the generative AI, is about the mass unemployment. The fear is not baseless. There are valid reasons to believe that this new technology is going to disrupt a lot of things. IBM, International Business Machines, world's one of the most well-known company, has already even started it. IBM's Chief Executive Officer Arvind Krishna has said that company expects to pause hiring for roles it thinks could be replaced with artificial intelligence in the coming years. As artificial intelligence tools have captured the public imagination for their ability to automate customer service, writing text, generate code, and many other things, many observers have worried about their potential to disrupt the labor market. Now, Krishna's plan marks one of the largest workforce strategies announced in response to the rapidly advancing technology. According to IBM, hiring in the back office functions such as human resources will be suspended or slowed. These non-customer facing roles amount to roughly 26,000 workers worldwide. Krishna said, and I quote, I could easily see 30% of that getting replaced by AI and automation over a 5-year period. Now that is huge. And once one company does it, the others follow. Especially when a company like IBM can do it, which is always a bit slow to respond to the new innovations, you can see that how the other agile companies would follow. So HR people need to be on their toes after this news. The thing is that more mundane tasks such as providing employment verification letters or moving employees between departments will likely be fully automated. Some HR functions such as evaluating workforce composition and productivity probably won't be replaced over the next decade, but you never know. If you look at the figures, IBM currently employs about more than 260,000 workers and continues to hire for software development and customer-facing roles. But they have begun to pause the hiring in the back office roles. So I would say that this is a huge wake-up call for all of us to reevaluate where we stand, what are our skill sets, and do we need to reinvent ourselves? This is the time to take action. So that's it for this video. Again, I want to stress it highly that the purpose of this video is not the scaremongering or not to really scare you off, but to make sure that you are on your toes and you know that a huge disruption is coming. So be ready. Thank you.